Did you know a popular asthma inhaler is leaving pharmacy shelves soon? Yes, it's true. The widely used and trusted asthma inhaler, Flovent, will be discontinued by its manufacturer, GlaxoSmithKline, often referred to as GSK, from the 1st of January 2024. This decision to halt the production of Flovent, a steroid inhaler trusted for years by those struggling with asthma, aligns with the elimination of the Medicaid rebate cap removal. This cap removal would have required GSK to pay higher Medicaid rebates tied to the drug's price increases over the years. But don't worry, GSK is not leaving patients in the lurch. They plan to replace Flovent with a generic version that promises the same formula and drug delivery mechanism. This change is said to provide a lower-cost alternative for patients. However, some medical professionals are skeptical. They raise concerns about potential issues with the drug's delivery mechanism and higher copays. There's also the worry of delayed access for patients, as not all insurance providers may cover the new generic version. In fact, CVS Caremark, a major pharmacy benefit manager, is giving preferential placement to another branded inhaler, Pulmicort, instead of the authorized generic Flovent. This could lead to delays and challenges for patients in obtaining their medication, especially during the winter respiratory virus season. Patients with conditions such as eosinophilic esophagitis may face even more limited alternatives and difficulties with the discontinuation of Flovent. Physicians recommend that patients who rely on Flovent refill their prescriptions before the end of the year and discuss alternative options with their doctors and insurers. It's important to note that the price of branded Flovent has increased by 47% since 2014. The authorized generic strategy allows GSK to avoid penalties that could have arisen due to these price increases. In conclusion, the discontinuation of the asthma inhaler Flovent and its replacement with a generic version is a significant shift in the medical landscape. While it promises lower costs, the uncertainty surrounding its availability, insurance coverage, and potential delivery mechanism issues is a cause for concern. Patients are advised to consult with their healthcare providers to ensure uninterrupted access to their needed medication.